Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Just a real quick one today. I got the gasket surface here machined at a local machine shop. This is why you always double and triple check the work that you get done. Look at this. Looks nice, looks great. Wait a second, what is this? Look at that. The cutter was not on the head the whole way, so we have this ridge that starts somewhere right about here and runs all the way down. It is about 35 thousandths here, and let's see if we can do this. Looks like about 8 thousandths deep. So I've got an 8 thousandths bulge sticking up right here. It's going to make it so that there is no way that when I put this back together it would seal. Always check the machine shop's work, because they don't always do it right. Thanks for watching.